Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to put a header on only one page in Google Docs. This is very simple to do, but I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first of all, we have two pages with It Works and this right here. If I double click right now here, we can write down a header. So let's say I write something, Tommy Flex Assessment. And if I click here, you see that it's standing just right here too. But if we double click here and click on different first page, and we do help me out assessment, and we click this here away, you see that here still standing Tommy Flex Assessment. And right now, if we entering to the third page, it's still standing there, but the first page now is help me out assessment. So turn on different first page before you write down, and then you will know that this page is different than the others. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.